If your resume looks like this, then you definitely need help. Let me tell you how you can use ChatGPT for free to transform your resume. To help you with this, I have divided this video into two sections. That are, first, how you can make your resume using ChatGPT. And as you would be applying to multiple companies, you should not send the same resume for every job application. So second section of the video will be how to make your resume specific to job description. Let's talk about how to create your resume, section 1. If you have just graduated or you are still in college as a fresher, you might not have much work or internship experience yet. In this case, the best thing you can do is highlight your strengths and achievements in your resume. So let's get started. First, what you can do is list down all your achievements, certifications, skills and projects. Here on the screen, you can see how. For example, under achievements, you can mention something like this. And under certifications, you could mention something like this. Under skills, you could mention something like this. And projects, you could mention something like this. क्या हुआ? You are not able to think of any skill, project, certification to mention? Then I will recommend you to do short-term courses of Internshala. You will gain relevant skills and also get the experience to work on projects that eventually you can mention in your resume. At Internshala, you can also offer placement guarantee courses, which will not only provide you with relevant skills and government-recognized certifications, but also a 100% guaranteed internship or job. You can find all these links in the description box below. So once you have a required list, the next step is to go to ChatGPT and add this information as a prompt to ChatGPT and ask it to create a resume for you. You can use this prompt shown on the screen. Once you have typed this prompt, click on enter and ChatGPT will generate a resume for you. Your next step is to examine the output and make necessary changes. For example, you can adjust the duration of your projects, add more skills, or create a separate section like hobbies, soft skills, and more according to your requirement. For example, if you want to add a separate section for certification, for that all you need is to type add a separate section for certificates, or if you want to elaborate the section, then type elaborate the certification section to give weightage to your resume. And you will have a resume, and that too with a minimum effort. Now here is a resume sample for a BTech graduate. You can change the fields according to your course and the requirements. And here I am giving you 2 more prompts that you can use based on your preferences. On the other hand, if you are someone who has some experience like from an internship or a job, you can customize your prompt accordingly. Just mention the details as you did before and add your job role, duration of your role and some keywords about your responsibilities, and ChatGPT will include this in its output. To help you out here on the screen, here are some prompts that you can use to create a resume that includes your work experience. That's it. You have now created the content for your resume. Now look for a free resume template that is simple, professional and easy to use and fill in all the details that you have generated from ChatGPT. You can check these websites for free resume templates. Once you have found a resume template that you like, you can just fill in all the details that you have generated from ChatGPT and that's it. You have your resume ready. You can also use the resume generator on Internshala. You can check out this video from the link in the description. So now you have a resume, but you cannot use the same resume for applying for every job. And here comes the second section of the video. You can customize your resume based on the job description using ChatGPT. So let me show you how. Suppose you are applying for this Python development role listed on Internshala. So let's see what to write to get a resume for this. All you need to do is to simply tell ChatGPT about yourself exactly like we did before. Use this prompt and add this line in the prompt, that is, write me a resume with the given details for this particular job description and add this job description here. Now you will see how ChatGPT made some changes according to the job role. Now you can recheck the content and make a few edits as per your need. So this is how you can get a resume using ChatGPT for the specific job role. However, if you are not from a tech background, you can still follow these steps to generate resume you like. Here are some prompts for different job roles that you can use to give details to ChatGPT and get a customized resume. So before I end this video, let me quickly discuss some last minute tips and tricks to remember before creating a resume. First, do not copy paste the generated resume. Make sure you read it and customize it as per your requirement. Second, give ChatGPT all the necessary information to create a good resume outline for you. Third, do not add sensitive information like your contact number or address in ChatGPT. And with that, I come to the end of the video. Now go create your own customized resume and apply to as many jobs as you can on Internshala. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content. See you in the next video. All the best.